Morning students, microprocessor. So next instruction is a ANI, logical and immediate with accumulator. So its syntax is a ANI 8-bit data. The content of the accumulators are logically ANDed with 8-bit data, and the result is placed in the accumulator. Then the flags S, Z, P are modified to reflect the result. Then the flag CY is reset and AC is set. So example ANI 86. Right. Here the accumulator has the value B3. And (3F). That is the 86 in hexadecimal is here 3F. So this is the B3 and 3F. So 1 1 is 1, 1 1 is 1, 0 1 is 0, 0 1 is a 0, 1 1 and 1, 1 1 1, 0 0 0, 1 0 is a 0. Therefore this is 3 3. Therefore after execution the accumulator has the value 3 3 and the carry is set to 0, auxiliary carry is set to 1. The next instruction ORA, logical or register or memory with accumulator. So either memory or the register. The content of accumulators are logically or with the content of the register or the memory. The result is placed in the accumulator. If the operand is a memory location, its address is specified the content of HL pair. The flags SZP are modified to reflect the result. Then the flag CY and AC are reset. Similarly, and we use the R. So example, RA register B, RA memory. Suppose the register B has the value 12 and the accumulator A has the value AA. That is A 1010, A is a 1010, then 10001 and 20010. Now the instruction OR A B. That is A or B. R 00 is a 0, 11 is a 1, 00 is a 0, 10 is a 1. So 0 1 is a 1, 10 is a 1, 00 is a 0, 10 is a 1. Therefore this is B and this one is a. So that after execution accumulator becomes VA, and carry flag is set to 0, auxiliary carry flag set to 0. The next instruction, okay, before that, you see, similarly for the memory, okay, here the memory address 2050, which contains the value B3. Then the accumulator A contains the value 55. Okay, so 5, then B 3. So R 1 is a 1, 1 is a 1, 10 is a 1, 00 is a 0, 11 is a 1, 01 is a 1, 10 is a 1, 01 is a 1. Therefore, this is the F, and this one is a 7. Therefore, after execution, A becomes F7. So next instruction is here OR-I, that is the logical OR immediate with the accumulator. Opcode is here OR-I, operand is here 8-bit. The content of accumulators are logically ORed with the 8-bit data, and the result is placed in the accumulator, and the flags SZP are modified to reflect the result, and the flags CY and AC are reset. So example, ORI 86. Let me see the example. Accumulator contains the value B3. Then the instruction RI08. This is value. So B3. So B1011, 3 is a 0011. Then 808. So 000 10008. Then R 10 is a 1, 10 is a 1, 00 is a 0, 01 is a 1, 10 is a 1, 10 is a 1, 00 is a 0, 10 is a 1. So this is B, this is a B. Therefore, the result becomes BB, which is stored in the accumulator. So next instruction is a logical XOR. So its opcode is a XOR A, register or memory. So the content of the accumulator are XORed with the content of the register or memory. the result is placed in the accumulator. If the operand is a memory location, its address is specified by HL pair. And the flags SZP are modified to reflect the result of the operation, and the flags CY and AC are reset. So example, XOR AB or XOR AM. So instruction XOR AC. C has the value 2D, and the accumulator A has the value AA. So A and 2D. Therefore XOR operation. So 0 1 is a 1, 1 0 is a 1, 0 1 is a 1, 1 1 is a 0. That is, both digits are same, then result becomes 0, otherwise 1. Okay. So 0 0 is a 0, 1 1 is a 0, 0 0 is a 0, 1 0 is a 1. So this is 8 7. Therefore the accumulator A has the value 8 7. Next, memory. The memory 2050 contains the value B3, and the accumulator has the value 55. Okay. So 5 5. So this is the B and 3. XOR 1 1 is a 0, 0 1 is a 1, 1 0 is a 1, 0 0 is a 0, 1 1 is a 0, 0 1 is a 1, 1 0 is a 1, 0 1 is a 1. So this is E6. Therefore the accumulator now contains the value E6. So next instruction. XOR immediate with the accumulator. Immediate. XOR I immediate. 8-bit data. So the content of the accumulators are XORed with the data. The result is placed in the accumulator. Similarly, the flags SZP are modified, and C and AC are reset. Example, XORi 86. Let me see example. The accumulator A has the value B3, and 8-bit data is a 39. Here we use 39. Therefore, B 1011 is the B, 3 is a 0011, then 39 0011 3, 1001 is a 9. Now XOR 11 is a 0, 10 is a 1, 00 is a 0, 01 is a 1, 11 is a 0, 11 is a 0, 00 is a 0, 10 is a 1. So this is 8 and this one is a A. Therefore, after execution, accumulator becomes 8A. Okay, the next compare. So any 8-bit data or content of register or memory location can be compared for the equality, that is equal, greater than, less than, with the content of the accumulator. And the result is reflected in the status flags. First instruction, compare CMP with the register or the memory. The content of operand, either register or memories, are compared with the content of the accumulator. We compare the operator with the register along with the memory. Both content are preserved. Let us see example. Okay. Here accumulator has the value 10 and the register D has the value 20. Okay. The carry flag is 0 and the 0 flag is 1. If equal, if it is less than, means the carry flag is here 1. Okay. Then compare D. So A and D are compared. It is A minus or 10 minus 20. Okay, so less than. So A is less than. Then carry flag is set to 1. Then here we compare the memory. Okay, so the memory 2050 has the value B8 and the accumulator has the value B8. So compare these two, B8, B8, both are equal. Therefore, the 0 flag is set to 1. The next operand is a compare immediate along with the 8-bit data. So 8-bit data is compared with the content of the accumulator. Example. The accumulator has a value BA. And the value, that is the 8-bit data, is a 30. So we have compared BA with 30. Since BA is greater than 30, therefore carry flag becomes 0 and auxiliary becomes 0. So if the accumulator value is greater than data, then carry flag is set to 0. If accumulator data is equal to accumulator value is equal to data, then 0 flag is set to 1. If accumulator data is less than the value, then carry flag is set to 1.